Right. Right. Good evening, everyone. Good evening, guys. Good evening. Good evening. Can you hear me? Can you see the screen? Can you please respond in the chat? Please respond in the chat, guys. Yes. Yes. Very, very good evening, guys. Very, very good evening. All right. So let us start our session here today. So, guys, before starting our sessions, as always, let us try to have a very, very small and a quick recap of the concept which we had covered in our last class, that is on our Saturday's class. So, guys, as a matter of fact, Saturday we have discussed about array list. Am I right? Did you remember that program? And I requested you to practice that program at least for 3 times, like Sunday. Did you practice that, guys? Please tell me, respond in the chat. Please respond in the chat. Yes, very good, very good. So if you practice the array list program, then today our programs will be very, very easy for you. Okay, so let me ask you guys, is my voice audible? Is it clear for you? Is it clear for you guys? Yes, it is clear. That is very good. That is very good, guys. So now let us start discussing about vector. Today we will be trying to discuss about vector, guys. So actually, as a matter of fact, first, like I told you, just a second, let me open the diagram. It will be easy for you. Yes, I told you there are 2 root interfaces are there in collections. Collection framework. First one is collection, second one is map. Collection. In collection interface, there are 3 child interfaces are there, like list, set, and queue. And in that list, we have completed regarding array list. Now, let us try to have an idea about vector, guys. Vector. Okay. Now, just let me try to create. Okay, just let me try to create a method, void method1 like this. Okay, now just system.out.println, system.out.println. I'm going to go with, let me try to create, okay, implementing 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 vector, a vector. Okay, now, so guys, tell me one thing. I want to create an object for vector. Can you please give me the code for that? I just want to create an object for vector. That's it, not more than that. Can you please do that for me? Just create an object for vector. Go ahead. Exactly. So please observe here, guys. New. Okay, let me go with vector. Okay, new vector, and here just let me try to go with like v. Okay, vector vector like this. Am I right or wrong, guys? Yes, that's it. Not more than that. Now, guys, I want to add some elements into my vector. Can you please tell me how I need to do that? Sharif, you're asking me, like you said that you are not available on Saturday. So you're asking me, like, is there any code? You know that, Sharif, I don't maintain any code, right? All my programs are spontaneous. You should not be missing the classes, buddy, Sharif. Anyways, so guys, please check this. Tell me, guys, tell me. I want to add. Yes, obviously, exactly. Right. We are supposed to use add method, and I'm just trying to go with some data here. Okay, let me go with like add. Okay, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, like this. Okay, now just let me try to go with Java. Okay, and let me check with null. Some other data. I'm just trying to write some other data like this. Some 84 and 14. Just some random data, guys. Just some random data. That's it. Not more than that. Okay. Just some random data. Now, just let me go with like 50, like this. Now, what I want to do, system.out.println, I want to print my vector. Okay. I just want to print my vector. Now, guys, please tell me. So, if I want to print my vector, okay, just let me try to execute my, let me write my main method. inside my main method, simply I'm trying to create an object, new class a dot method one. I'm just calling my method one. Okay. Now let me execute my program. Right click, run as Java application, and this is the output. So right now, you know the task. You know the task. The task is, tell me guys, insertion order is maintained or not? Insertion order is maintained or not? Tell me. Maintained. M-A-N-T-N-E-D. Insertion order is maintained. Tell me, duplicates. Duplicates are allowed. Actually, I did not give any duplicate value. Okay, just let me try to go with duplicate value as 10. Okay. I'm giving duplicate value as 10. Let us check. Right click, run as Java application. Now tell me guys, duplicates are allowed? Guys, 10 and 10. Yeah, of course. I mean, vector is the implementation class for list. List will allow duplicates. So obviously, vector also allows. Duplicates are allowed. A-L-L-O-W-E-D, allowed. Okay, can you please tell me what about null values, guys? Null value. Null is also allowed. Yep, null is also allowed. Heterogeneous elements are allowed. Of course, heterogeneous heterogeneous elements, heterogeneous elements are allowed. Heterogeneous elements are allowed. Now, default capacity. Guys, do you know what? Default capacity of array list. Can you please tell me what is the default capacity of array list? Array list. Exactly. The default capacity of array list is 10. In the same manner, the default capacity of vector is also 10. Default capacity of array list and default capacity of vector, both is 10 only. Okay. Now, guys, did you remember how the size of the array list will be increased? Size of the array list. Size will increase increase by, in array list it is going to increase by half, like nearly, right? But when you are speaking about vector, exactly Manoj, exactly, current capacity into 3 by 2 plus 1. When you are speaking about vector, the size will increase by double, guys. Can you give me the formula for this? Can you give the formula? CURRENT, current CAPACAT, current capacity into 2. That's it, as simple as it is. Yes, obviously, the size will increases by double, guys. Are you understanding me? Guys, do you know what? Actually, this is one of the important interview point of view question. What is the difference between array list and vector? Array list and vector. Okay. Now, guys, please observe here. Whenever these collections, like for example, the first version of Java. What is the first version of Java, guys? First version of Java. Please tell me. Yes. The first version of Java is Java 1.0. The very first version of Java contains only 2 classes. Once again, I'm saying you, the first version of Java contains only 2 collection classes. In those 2, one is vector, second one is hash table. First one is a vector and second one is, yes, first one is vector. Just a second, let me first one is vector, second one is hash table. Only these 2 classes are there in the very first starting version of Java. After that, all different other collection classes have been added, like array list, linked list, asset, linked asset, reset, linked list, priority queue, hash map, linked hash map, tree map, like that. Okay. The first classes which were present right from the beginning version of Java, these are known as legacy classes. What is the name, guys? What is the name just now I used? Legacy classes. Okay. Now, guys, vector is also a legacy class. So it is available. It is AVILABLE available from Java 1.4 legacy class. It is also a legacy class. Okay, there are only two legacy classes, by the way. First one is vector, second one is hash table. Kindly please do remember that particular point, guys. Okay, now guys, array list is synchronized or not? Array list, did you remember that? Array list is not synchronized by default, right? But do you know what? Vector, I mean, it is synchronized synchronized by default. Vector is synchronized by default. So right now, if anyone asks you what is the difference between array list and vector, can you please tell me the features which you are supposed to like, which you will be concentrating? For example, can you please tell me the capacity of array list and vector? Capacity, just tell me the capacity. Capacity is for both array list and vector, the capacity is 10 only. But how the size will be increasing? For array list, the size will be increasing by half. For vector, the size will be increasing by double. Can you please tell me, like, since from which version array list is available? Since from which version array list is available? 1.2. What about vector? Nikhil, 1.2. What about vector, guys? That is 1.0. Is array list synchronized or not? Is array list synchronized or not? Nope, array list is not synchronized. But when you're coming with a vector, what about vector, guys? Vector is synchronized by default. So kindly please do remember these differences, guys. Okay. Now, guys, actually, like on Saturday, we have seen how to retrieve the elements by using for loop. For example, just let me try to write, okay, system.out.println. Guys, remember whatever the methods which are present in collection interface, I repeat, whatever the methods which are present in collection interface can be used by all other child classes, right? Yes or no? Please tell me. For example, if I want to retrieve the data by using for loop, same code, guys, exactly the same code. Int I equal to 0, I should be less than v dot size. After that, I plus plus, and can you please give me like the code? I want to retrieve the data. Please tell me the code. Yeah, it's a compile time. Okay, it's a typo here. It's a typo. Okay, tell me. Which method I need to use? Yeah, obviously get method. Same. V dot get, and here I'm just going with I. That's it. Now please observe here, right click, run as Java application, and I'll be able to get my output like this. Okay, guys, for example, actually, we have used iterator. Okay. We did not use the enumeration interface. Did you remember that? Enumeration interface, we did not use that. Like there are actually three, like iterator, list iterator, and enumeration. Iterator, we have already seen that. For loop we have seen. For each loop we have seen. Guys, why we are getting this yellow color warning? Why we are getting these yellow color warnings? If you want to avoid these warnings, what we need to do? No, not closing, guys. Not closing. If we want to avoid this warning, we need to use generics, not genetics. Rathod, generic. Yes, generic. Okay. So actually, if I want to use generics, I can use that. Okay, integer integer, and here also I'll be going with the integer. Just a second. Let me remove this. Just integer. I can go with generic, but I don't want to go here. I mean, if I want to go, I can go, but I already told you it is not mandatory. Did you remember that? Did you remember that? Guys, you need to help me out. Please tell me. Again, I'm saying it is not mandatory to go with generics. Okay. If we want, we can go. It's completely your programming requirements. That's it. It depends upon your program only. As simple as it is. Okay. Now, just let me remove this. And I'm removing this also. Now, do me a favor, guys. If I want to retrieve the elements by using for each loop, can you please tell me what I need to do right now? Please tell me. For each loop. Right. Guys, we need to use object object some O colon. O colon vector. That's it. Vector. I mean, our vector name is V, right? Now here, system.out.println, just simply go with O. Right click run as Java application and we'll be able to retrieve our data. Okay. Now do me a favor, guys. Now let us try to retrieve the data by using enumeration interface, not iterator. Shall we go with enumeration interface? Did you remember I told you enumeration interface that is used to retrieve the data from legacy classes? I told you, right? We'll be using only for this vector only, legacy classes. Okay. So let us do one thing, guys. Guys, can you please tell me how many methods are present in enumeration interface? Please check and tell me. Please check and tell me. Now check and tell me. Check and tell me. You can check and tell me how many methods are present in enumeration interface. Please check. Check and tell me. No problem. Guys, I requested you to check here. See how many methods are there? How many methods are there? Two methods. Come on here. Two methods. Only two methods. Okay. First one is has more elements. Second one is next element. Has more elements will work like has next element. Has more elements will work like has next. Did you remember how has next method will be working? On Saturday I discussed this. Yes. In the same manner, has more elements. And next element, it will return the element which is present in the vector. Please check this. For example, just let me go with like enumeration interface. And just let me make it like E, like this. And here, while E, can you please tell me what I need to write? E dot Shrikant, not has next, E dot has more elements. E dot has more elements and simply system.out.println E dot next element. Please check this. Right click run as Java application. Am I able to retrieve the data, guys? Yes. Guys, elements is a method which is present in vector. Okay. It is present in vector class. What elements method will be returning? Elements method will be returning the enumeration interface. It is an interface, guys. Enumeration is an interface. Okay, like one of the iterator. What enumeration will be doing? Enumeration is used to retrieve the data one by one from your vector. As simple as this. Okay. I hope it's clear, guys. Is it clear? Now, guys, just like array list, we will be having some methods are also there for vector. Some methods are also there. Okay. Now, for example, okay, Suma, you're asking. Yes, Suma, that is correct. That is correct. Now, guys, for example, there are some methods which are present in vector. Can you please check this? For example, add element, it will add just like a add method. Please check this. V dot add element. And I'm just trying to add some 5,000 here. Okay. Now, after adding the system.out.println v, please check this. Right click, run as Java application. Am I getting my data here? Guys, add method is present in collection interface. Add element method is present in vector class. Both will do the same operation. Basically, both will do the same operation. If you want to use add method, you can use. No, sir, I just want to use only vector class method. Okay, you can go with add element method. I hope it's clear, guys. Please tell me yes. Right. For example, guys, there are Manoj, yes, by default, it will be added in the last only. Okay. Now, guys, for example, please check this. Yeah, Shrikant. Yeah, we can add any number of elements, Shrikant. Not at all a trouble. That is the beauty with collections. Okay. There is no size restriction. For example, remove element. Guys, I believe you know how to use this remove element method. Yes. Please check this. Okay. I want to v dot remove 10. Okay. Now system.out.println v. Tell me, guys, this 10 will be removed or this 10 will be removed? I mean, this is first 10. This is first 10 and this is second. Tell me which one will be removed? Okay. Let us check. Right click, run as Java application. First occurrence. Not both, guys, not both. Whatever the object which you are specifying, the first occurrence will be removed. The first occurrence will be removed. Okay. Now let us go with next method, guys. Guys, please check this. Remove element at. I believe you know this. Can you use this method? Guys, as a matter of fact, can you use all these methods? Remove element at, remove all elements, Element at means it is going to act like a get method. Am I right or wrong, guys? Get method. Object last element, object first element. For example, system.out.println v dot last element. What it will do? It will return the last element which is present in your vector. If I'm trying to use system.out.println v dot first element, it is going to return the first occurrence which is present in my, first element which is present in my vector. Like this, guys. I hope it's clear, guys, for everyone. Do me a favor, please have this program. Go ahead. Have this program. But I'm requesting you, please be fast. Pranita, I'm not scrolling, Amma. I'm not scrolling. Are you seeing this, Pranita? Yes, 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 yes. Guys, please don't simply copy paste. Okay, understand and write. Understand and write, please. Don't copy paste. I'm requesting you. Don't please copy paste. Guys, I hope it's completed up to line number 21 for everyone. You need to write the comments also. Please don't miss the comments. Naresh, did you attend Saturday's class? You need to attend Saturday's class. That is the reason you're not understanding that. Lakshmikant, can you please check and tell me? Lakshmikant, right now, please check and tell me. Please check and tell me. I mean, I believe you already have the code which you have practiced, right? Just change the code and check and tell me. You will be understanding that. One more minute. Just one more minute. Be fast. I hope it's complete for everyone. Is it done? Is it done? Shrikant, that is typecasting. We are informing to the compiler that 75 is not an index position, that is an object. So we are just typecasting. That's it. Okay, Gaurav, no problem. No problem, Gaurav. No problem. Guys, I'll wait for one more minute. One more minute. Is it sufficient, Gaurav? 1 minute will be sufficient? 2 minutes. Okay, please. Make that happen. Make that fast. Make that fast. I told you, Datta. But there will be small change. I hope you're observing that, right? Yes. All right. All right. Done. Done, guys. Done, 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 done. Now, let me remove this. Now, let us try to have an idea about linked list. Anshul, if you want to any other middle value than any method, yeah, Anshul, we can go with remove method, which will be accepting index positions, right? Did you remember that, Anshul? Yes, we can use that. Got it. Very good. Okay. Now, let me just go with, guys. Now, we have completed array list. We have done with linked list. And sorry, we have done with vector. And right now, I want to go with linked list. Okay. Just let me try to create. Okay. Let me remove this. I'm removing this. Now here, just let me try to create. Okay, system.out.println. Okay, implementing linked list. Guys, same as it is program. Okay, but here you need to remember one thing, that is in linked list, elements will be stored in linked list. Elements will be stored in the form of nodes, something like this. In linked list, elements will be stored in the form of nodes. For example, here we are having 3 nodes. Node 1, node 2, wow, node 3, 3 nodes. Each node, for example, if you are taking a single node, if you are taking a single node, each node will be having 3 fields actually. Okay, if you're taking a single node, each node will be having 3 fields. This is data field. This is a link to the previous node, and this is a link to the next node. Guys, are you understanding me? Are you getting an idea, guys? Generally, what I want to say here is in linked list, data will be present, of course, just like an array, but in the form of nodes. Okay, hang on. I think I'm having this. Just a second. Let me clear this. I think I should be having a small diagram here. Okay, where it is? Here. Please check this, guys. Please check this. Linked list. I mean, it will be present like this. Each node will be having 3 fields, like link to the previous node, link to the next node, and you will be having the data field. As simple as this. Okay. Now, guys, let me try to create a linked list. Actually, if we want to add and remove elements from linked list, it is very, very easy, guys. Like it is a little bit fast. Let me explain you. Guys, please check this. Okay, just let me try to create a linked list. New. You know how to create a linked list, right? New linked list. I don't want to use any generics. I'm creating a linked list. Okay, LL linked list like this. Okay, now simply what I want to do, I want to pass some elements. Okay, add. I'm just trying to pass some data. Same thing, guys. I'm just trying to pass some data like Java. Let me go with like null, and I just want to go with some other data like 32, something like 63, something like 1, and I want to check whether duplicate is also allowed or not. Okay, let me go with 10 like this. Okay, now just let me go with system.out.println linked list. I'm just printing here. I'm just printing linked list. That's it, not more than that. Now, you know why I'm getting a warning like this, right? Why I'm getting a warning like this? I did not use generics. If I want to use generics, I can use. But come on, yeah, there is no requirement for me. So I'm not using generics. Now let me execute my program. Right click, run as Java application. Okay, come on, tell me. Insertion order. Oh, dear. Insertion order is maintined. Maintain. Okay, insertion order is maintained. Maintain. Guys, right now you may think it is very easy, but let me ask the same question after I had completed collections. Then you'll understand why everyone will be saying collections is tough. Anyways, insertion order is maintained. Null is allowed. Null is, of course, NULL. Null is ALLOWD. Null is allowed. Duplicates, UPLIC. Duplicates are allowed. Yes, allowed. Yep, duplicates are allowed. And heterogeneous elements are allowed. Yeah, of course. HTRGNEO, heterogeneous elements. Heterogeneous elements are allowed. ALLOWD. Heterogeneous elements are allowed. After that, heterogeneous elements are allowed. After that, am I missing anything? Next point. What is my next point? Can you please check and tell me? Capacity. Okay, very good. Okay, DFL default capacity. Default capacity is, any guessing, guys? Default capacity of linked list is not 10. That is very good, Naresh. That is very good. Guys, the default capacity of linked list is Ilyas. Very good. 0. 0, guys. 0. The size of the linked list will automatically increases by doubling it. Just like a vector. Size increases by double. But basically the default capacity is 0. Okay. It is available from Java 1.2 version. Data, elements. Elements in the sense, elements are objects, will be stored in the form of which structure, guys? Node structure. You need to remember this particular point, please. Okay, in the form of node structure. And finally, one last important point is linked list. It is, guys, is it synchronized or not synchronized? What is your opinion? What is your opinion? Right, guys. That is very good. It is not synchronized. It is not synchronized. It is not synchronized. Okay. So guys, up to now, we have seen 3 collection classes. We have covered 3 collection classes. In these 3 collection classes, can you please tell me which one is synchronized? Just tell me which one is synchronized. Remember that. Remember array list, eh? Yogesh? Come on, Yogesh. What you are doing here? Guys, very, very important here. Very, very important. Please remember, vector is synchronized. Array list is not synchronized. And linked list is also not synchronized. Each loop, I believe you can retrieve the data by using for loop and for each loop. Can you do that? Yes. Now, actually, I want to use the list iterator, guys. List iterator. Iterator we have used. List, enumeration interface also we have seen. Let us go with list iterator. Okay. LL dot list iterator. I'm calling this list iterator method. What this list iterator method will be doing, list iterator method will return me a list iterator. How many methods are there in list iterator? Yeah, you can use any iterator. Yeah, Mukesh, no problem. No problem. You can use anything, no issues. Come on, guys. How many methods are there in list iterator? Exactly. 5 methods. 5 methods are there. 5 methods are there. Right? Now, please observe here. Let me go with those methods. Okay. While guys, I'm using okay, li dot has next method. Did you remember this has next method? Has next method is present in iterator interface. The same method is present in list iterator also. Okay, system.out.println and li dot next like this. Now please observe here, guys. Right click, run as Java application. I'll do one thing. Just let me try to write like this. Okay, print and plus space like this. That would be great. Okay, and here just I'm trying to use a small line like this. Now please check this. Right click, run as Java application. I'm able to retrieve my data which is present in my linked list. Guys, did you remember I told you we can retrieve the data from our linked list? Like if we are using list iterator, we can retrieve the data from backward direction also. Did you remember that? Guys, forward and backward, both the directions here. Both the directions. Come on, guys. Now, actually, there are some methods which were present in list iterator. Can you please tell me which method I need to use if I want to retrieve the data in a reverse order, guys? Which method I need to use? Suma, very good. Suma, you are impressing me. Very good, Suma. Very good. Come on, guys. Which method we need to use to retrieve the data in a reverse order? Upendra, very good. Upendra, sorry. That is good. Yes, guys. Come on, Datta. No, that is wrong. That is wrong. That is wrong. Guys, please observe. Li dot has previous. Guys, has previous method is present in list iterator here. Has previous method. You need to check the code, guys. You need to check the notes. Come on. If you're not checking the notes, you'll not be able to enjoy the class. If you want to enjoy the class, you should go through the notes. Please. I want you guys to enjoy the class, please. Okay. Okay. Has previous, and now here system.out.println, simply I'm using li.previous. Let me check. Right click, run as Java application. Oh, sorry. Just let me try to go like this in a reverse order. It would be great. Now, right click, run as Java application. Guys, did you observe? Am I able to retrieve the data in a reverse order? Right click, run as Java application like this. This is forward direction and this is reverse direction. This is how we need to retrieve the data, buddy. I hope it's clear, guys, for everyone. Right? Do me a favor. Can you please have this program, guys? Please have this program. And guys, just a second, just a small thing. Guys, actually, just like array list and vector also, we are having some methods which are present in linked list also, like get first method, get last method, remove first, remove last, add first, add last element. Can you do these methods? Can you work on these methods? For example, get first method, system.out.println ll dot get first. That's it. And system.out.println ll dot get last. These are most commonly used methods, guys. We'll be getting our output as. Got it, guys? Please, guys, please. Can you have this program? Prakash, I got a question from sir. How can we give link one node to another? Prakash, actually, we will not be giving any link, Prakash. No need to give that. It is predefined. That's what I'm trying to say here. Like in linked list, the data will be present in the form of nodes. Okay. Right. That is great. That is great. Guys, remember, understand this line number 21 correctly. List iterator is a method which is present in linked list. If we are calling this list iterator method, it is going to return us a list iterator. Sir, I don't want to go with list iterator. Okay, you can go with iterator interface. No issues. With the help of this list iterator, we are iterating the elements, guys. Iterating means retrieving one by one. One by one. As simple as this. Pranjal, no, you need to use that. Guys, please don't copy paste. Don't copy paste. Don't copy paste. Observe, understand the code and write. Don't copy paste, please. I'm requesting you. Yeah, Prakash. Yeah, of course, we can access a specific element, Prakash. Like you are having this get method, right? What is the use of that get method? Tell me. Try to retrieve the data from by using for loop. Prakash, you'll understand that. And someone asked me one more question. Who's that? Someone asked me a question here. I told to check with the program. Who is that? I do not remember the name. Let me check my previous chats. Oh my god, lot of chats are there. Lot of chats are there. Yeah, Lakshmikanta. No, not Lakshmikanta. I think. I did not remember. I think Lakshmikanta only. Okay. Yes. Rathod, some people will be saying like containers, but according to Java documentation, it will be like nodes. Both are same. Like uh, meanings is same, intention is same. Okay, that's it. Right, right, right. Guys, be fast, be fast. Please inform if it is completed. Is it done? Right, right, right. Okay, guys, I hope it's complete for everyone. I hope it's complete for everyone. Now, guys, there is this one point actually, like a small note kind of point, just a small note point, that is array list. I mean, instead of array list, linked list occupies more memory. Just let me try to write like this. Linked list occupies more memory than the array list. So construction time is more for linked list. Okay. In simple words, guys, in simple words, Guruvaya, that's what I'm trying to say. Please observe here. In simple words, array list is faster than linked list. Manipulation is easier in linked list, like manipulation of elements is easier in linked list. Manipulation of elements is a little bit tough in array list. Okay, for example, let me try to show you a small program. I think it's already there. Let me check here where it is. Yeah, here. Here it is there. Guys, please check this program for me. Just check this program. Observe the program. Class linked list. It's just a class name, guys. It's just a class name. That's it. Not more than that. Just a class name. Just a class name. Okay. Now I'm trying to take an object array. What is the type of this array? Type of this array. Object means I can store only objects into this array. Okay. Now inside this static block, guys, you know when static block will be getting executed. When static block will be getting executed? Even before main method. Am I right or wrong? Okay. So right now, first this static variable. Okay. After that, static block got executed. What is the size of this array I'm given? I have given this as size of this array, right? Units, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakh, 1 lakh. Am I right or wrong? So in this array, how many objects I can store, guys? I need your response, please. I need your response, please. Exactly. Exactly. Come on, guys. You need to respond. If you're not responding, I'll not be understanding it, whether you are listening or not. Anyways, so I can store 1 lakh objects into that array. Okay. So I'm just adding all those 1 lakh objects. Okay. for int I equal to 1, okay, I should be less than the length, okay, and in every index position, I'm trying to store one object. Did you understand this code, guys? Please tell me, did you understand this code? In every index position of this array, I'm storing one object. That's it, not more than that. Okay. Now, void, I have taken two methods, guys. Void array list time and linked list time, two methods, right? First, let me go with array list. Okay, two variables I have taken, long variables, start and end. Two long variables, start and end. Okay, I have created an array list. Now I'm trying to get the time. I mean, whenever this array list creation has completed, I'm trying to get the time start. Okay, by using this current time milliseconds. Okay, guys, current time milliseconds is a static method which is present in system class. What this method will be doing, it returns the current system time. Are you understanding me, guys? You need to help me out. Guys, please respond in the chat. Please respond. But in milliseconds, guys, not in a normal time format like 9:15. No, the current time in milliseconds, right? Now I'm storing that entire data in this start. After that, what I'm doing here, I'm using for each loop to add the element. Okay, I'm just using add method. I'm just using add method, and I'm trying to add my object into my, I'm trying to add my array into my array list. Am I clear with this, guys? I'm adding an object, guys. That's it. I mean, object array into my array list. After that, after adding, remember how many objects are there here? How many objects are there? I mean, how many objects are there in my array list? 1 lakh. 1 lakh. I'm retrieving all those objects from my array, and every object I'm trying to store into my array list. 1 lakh are there. Okay. After adding that, I'm just trying to print. Okay. And after, like, I just want to get the end time. So how much time it is going to take for adding 1 lakh objects into my array? I'm just trying to calculate by end minus start. Will be having starting time, end will be having ending time. I'm just subtracting start from end. That's it. In the same exact manner, linked list also. Same exact manner, linked list also. Now, after that, I'm creating my main method, and I'm just trying to call both these methods. Let us check which one will be having higher construction time. What is your opinion, guys? Which one will be having higher constructing time, array list or linked list? What is your opinion? That is very good, guys. That is very good. Impressed. So, guys, array list construction time is less. Linked list construction time will be more. Why? Because as I told you, in linked list data will be present in the form of nodes, guys, right? So construction will take a little bit more time. That's it. I hope you're understanding. Can you please have this program for me, please? Please have this program, guys. Go ahead. Right. So line number 11. Okay, Nikhil, here we are creating an object array of size 1 lakh. Means we can store 1 lakh objects into this array. For example, if you want to store integer array, we'll be trying to give the size, right? In the same manner, we are trying to store an object array, Nikhil. That's it, not more than that. Okay. Now, Rajaro, this is just a long data type, and these are identifiers. Okay. If you are getting confused, Rajarao, you can take like this: long start and long end. Is it clear, Rajarao? Two different data types. That's it. I mean, names are different. That's it. Not more than that. Okay. Good. Guys, is it complete for everyone? Is it done? Right. Right. So guys, I hope it's complete for everyone. So guys, yeah, Mukesh, that depends. Like different people will be getting different outputs. As simple as this. Okay. So don't expect you also should be getting the same as 4 and 7. No. Basically, array list will be construction time will be little bit less than the linked list. That's it. Okay. All right, guys. All right. So, guys, I hope you have enjoyed our today's session. Tomorrow we'll be trying to discuss about set, guys. But trust me when I say this. So, set is not exactly same like list. Okay. So, before coming to tomorrow's class, also please practice and then come, guys. Can you do that for me, please? Yes. That is good. That is good. Thank you, guys. Thank you for listening. I hope you enjoyed our today's session. We'll be trying to continue our session again by tomorrow. Have a great day. See you tomorrow, guys. Thank you. Good night.